What's going on, vendors? Mike here with 720 Vending. Today we are doing a 2-machine collection here at my hotel. I lost the footage for the snack machine down here, so it's just going to be these 2 machines. Sprite's looking okay. Got to get some bottled water in there. We'll get jumped on that one. And while I'm working here, someone wants to come buy some snacks, so more power to them. Hope your guys' week is going well. Today is Wednesday, so don't forget about the live stream over on the Howard Hospitality Group channel. 9 p.m. Eastern, 6 p.m. Pacific. Or if you're in the mountain time zone as me, 7 p.m. Bottled water is always popular here. Getting this machine refilled. If you're looking to add credit card readers to your machines, Cantaloupe is an awesome way to go. I use their G11 series as well as their ePort Engage series. Had them for about 2.5 years now. They do great. If you're looking to save some money, I have a discount code. Use the code 720 Vending at checkout. Links are down in the description. You save $30 on either the ePort Engage series or the G11 Pulse series for claw machines. As you can see, got the water all restocked there. I'm going to shove the extra 2 bottles down into the bottom of the machine, so that way I can put them in there the next following week. I'm not sure if this was shot a few weeks ago, so I don't remember exactly right if. Here we go with some Sprite. We're going to go ahead and get that stocked up to the top. This hotel has done very well for me for the last couple of years. The machine behind me I got a while ago, so it's going to be nice and getting an upgrade here soon to add credit cards to it, and then it'll get an Engage card reader on it as well. Dr. Pepper's going in. Don't forget to like, subscribe, smash that bell notification to be notified when I drop new videos. When you're shopping for your soda, always check your soda sales at your local grocery stores. They can be big savers for you. Got my patented knee split there. I usually shop like my local King Soopers, Sam's Club, occasionally Safeway. Depends on who has the better sales for the week. Now I've got all the soda restocked. Water's all stocked up to the top. Mountain Dew's doing okay. Dr. Pepper's okay. I charge $2 and $2 a bottle for the water. It's got some gold coins in there. No complaints there. This machine I upgraded with an N1 board onto the cash. Machine did $76.25, $16.80 of that was in credit cards. So not too bad. There is a 20 on there because I did make change for the gentleman. On to our machine upstairs. This is my USI 21 selection combo setup. chips were good, so I didn't too worry too much about those. But we'll get the popcorn restocked. We're going to get some more Cheez-Its in there. That's looking pretty good. Need some more Snickers. Ah, new case of Snickers. Sorry, forgot I sent a random text message during this time. On to the soda. Gatorade needed restocked. This machine up here goes through a lot of Gatorade. It's got 2 columns of it. The Gatorade Frost I found sells really, really good. I don't put it in single flavor orders. I just mix them. So if anybody's got issues with that, let me know. Kind of does like a mystery flavor. Depends on which one you're going to get. And I just popped a can. So, quick drink. It occasionally helps. So we're going to go ahead and get collecting here. On to the money collection, everyone's favorite part. A decent amount of change in there. Machine did $119.75 for the week. $48.30 of that was in credit cards. If you like this kind of content, like and subscribe. Thank you all for watching. Have a great day.